Urgent weather message. National Weather Service Huntsville AL 937 AM CDT Wednesday, April 2nd, 2025. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin, Al-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Mars, Hall, Jackson, DeKalb, Cullman, Moore, Lincoln, Franklin, TN, including the cities of Florence, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Russellville, Red Bay, Moulton, Town Creek, Athens, Huntsville, Decatur, Albertville, Boaz, Guntersville, Arab, Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Rainsville, Cullman, Lynchburg, Fayetteville, Winchester, Sewanee, Decherd, Estill Springs, and Cowan. 937 AM CDT Wednesday, April 2nd, 2025. Wind advisory in effect from 10 a.m. Wednesday to 1 a.m. CDT Thursday. South winds 15 to 25 mph with gusts up to 40 mph expected. Where? All of northern Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee. When? From 10 a.m. Wednesday to 1 a.m. CDT Thursday. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution, secure outdoor objects, and